Welcome back. This is part 2. In this video, I will explain what to do once the students have logged in and they have assignments that are given by their teacher. They will click on the to-do list. The number 9 just shows that they have 9 assignments for that week that are due that they have not submitted. I'll go down to the bottom and I'll click here. You notice the teacher has put some directions right here. You will read that very carefully before you start on the packet to ensure that you are pacing yourself so you're not trying to do the whole thing at once. I click on the gear in order to open the resource, the interactive version, which will allow me to write directly into the document. I can zoom out so that I can see the whole workbook page. I can zoom back in. If I zoom out too much or I zoom in too much, I can always hit the restore and it'll take it back to its original size. The icons down here, this is to just turn the pointer into that little cursor. The T is for them to type directly into the document if the directions had something for them to type, or if they want to just write their name on their paper. And you notice it's not all the way in front of that, but the teacher should be able to understand what they were trying to type. It's not aligned as well as it should be, but that's okay. They can still read it. We hit the undo button if we need to. Right here, this is just a circle. If it was something on there that your child would like to circle, like the direction says circle, you would just click what you would like. For this, it says map. And of course, it wouldn't be that one, that would be mop. So they want the circle, they will click and drag, and that can be a little confusing for the little ones. So you can hit undo. That would just be a challenge. Mainly would probably be used for math or the like. That just gives them a complete line. This will be a square to do the same thing I just did with the circle. The pencil allows them to write directly into the document. If they wanted to draw a circle around the cat, they would just click and move their finger on the enter right pad in order to circle it. If they wanted to highlight something, or if you want to highlight, you would just click and drag the highlighter. This right here, it says remove the selected shape. There's no shapes to remove, so this one did not work. I can undo to undo anything that I've done that I would not like to be selected. But for the purposes of this, I'll go ahead and complete this one. Got a cat, a fan, a map, a pan. And once I'm done, I like to make sure that my name is always on my paper. So I'm going to click up here, type in my name. And right here, I need to save it before I exit out. I'll save it. I also need to complete workbook page 2. I will go ahead and complete workbook page 2 because that's what the directions stated for me to do on Monday. Once I'm done completing it, I will save it. I will come back out. And up here, now I should have it in my work because I just saved it. I only saved one of them, so it's going to show this one. And you can look over here to see what you submitted. But as you submit your different assignments, they will show up over here. Go back to my to-do list. Once I'm done with Monday's assignment for reading, not with Monday, yes, with Monday, I'll go back to where I was. And I can go ahead and submit from here because I have completed for this day, or I can wait until I'm done with the whole list, which I highly suggest that you wait until you're done with all of the assignments before you submit at the bottom so you'll have time to go back and check your work. Once you've submitted, it will make sure that your teacher receives it. Without hitting submit, your work will just stay right here in your binder. So please remember to hit submit so that it goes to your teacher. Thank you.